Okay, mis amigas, hello and welcome back to another video. So aquí la saludo. I hope this video works. This is my first time filming in my car. And I really hope you guys can hear me. The mic is not off or anything like that. But I'm in my car and I came to pick up some stuff here. I have them right here. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I like to get some recommendations from you guys and ask you questions and stuff like that. So if you guys aren't following me on social media, my Instagram, go follow me right now. I'll be linking the link down here in my bio section, so that way you guys can just click on it and you guys can follow me. So with that being said, mis amigas, so a lot of you have been telling me that these products right here. Okay, so before I tell you guys, so I've been looking for new products for my hair. So those that know, I do have wavy hair, but lately, mis amigas, my hair has been falling off like crazy. I'm not kidding you guys, mis amigas. Like the shampoo that I'm probably using right now, I don't know, there's probably an allergic reaction that I'm receiving from it. I'm not too sure, but it's scaring me. So this is why I did my research and I kind of looked so much stuff from these products right here, and I'm super excited because I have not tried these products, but I'm excited. So I did buy the Rizo Curls. This is the hydration shampoo and it looks like this. So I bought this one, and I bought the deep conditioner. So these are full-size products, mis amigas. And I bought the curl defining cream. So tres botellitas like that. And I went ahead and also bought, this is so cute, I love this packaging. So I bought the light hold gel. It looks just like that, mis amigas. And I don't have it with me because it didn't have it in stock here at the store. But I did also went ahead and got the mousse. And that one is coming later this week, I hope. So I just cannot wait to try these products out, mis amigas, because if you have curly hair, wavy hair, I heard these are so great. And what I like about these products are they're also vegan, and then they are cruelty free as well. So I'm super excited to try them out, and the best thing is that they are covered. So mind you, mis amigas, this is not a sponsored video at all, but I want to just smell it to see how it smells like. But yeah, mis amigas, I am here. Wow, mis amigas, it smells really good. So like I said, mis amigas, my hair has been falling off like crazy and I don't even know what the heck to do. So you know what, I decided to change my products to see these because I've been seeing a lot of videos y todas las que usan esos shampoos, esos productos, they look so cute and so awesome. So I hope they work well for me, and I will let you guys know if they do. But if you guys do these products, please let me know in the section down below. Yes, I'm gonna be heading home right now because my daughter me está esperando. So quickly llegué a la tienda y vámonos de aquí. Okay, mis amigas? Okay, mis amigas, hello. Okay, so ya llegué a la casa, and so guess what I did? The first thing that I did do was fix my hair, because I videotaped you guys. Well, I was in my car and I know I had my hair up, and I have to say, mis amigas, I am shocked, and it's just so crazy, mis amigas. And I want to be transparent with you guys with stuff like that I do use. And mis amigas, I have to say, just wow. Okay, mis amigas, sorry, solo me quedé platicando, so I had to go into my room and to get another SD card just because the one that I did have got filled. But anywho, mis amigas, I just have to say that I am just shocked, and I'm just super excited that I have these products in my hands. And if you guys have curly hair, wavy hair, I highly recommend these products. So with that being said, mis amigas, I hope you guys are having such a great day today. Today is what is it today? Today is Monday. And today was a really great day for me at work, and I had a great time, and hope you guys did as well. I'm gonna show you guys what I do when I get back from work. So right now my daughter is over there outside. She's in the pool, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take advantage and bring you guys along with me because I am starving and I have a family to feed and I'm just very starving. So let's get to it, mis amigas, and thank you guys so much for coming back. And I am just so grateful that you guys are always here and your comments are always nice and welcome because I always read them all. And thank you guys, and I hope you guys stay for long, okay? Enjoy this video, mis amigas. Let's Okay, mis amigas, so normally when I come back from work, it just varies on what I do. So sometimes I can just get back to work and to the house and just relax. And sometimes I just get straight to making dinner or whatever. So it just kind of depends on like my evening and stuff like that. And also I have to say like the energy that I have, because sometimes ni tengo ganas de cocinar, mis amigas, but this day, I had plenty of time and plenty of energy, just because like the fact, like you guys, if you guys are parents out there, like you guys understand that the children are our priorities, at least for me. Like mi hija is my number one, and that's the first thing that I do. So I get to work, to home, and la atiendo a ella, if she wants to go out anywhere, or if she wants to hang out, just kind of watch TV or kind of socialize or anything like that, kind of share our thoughts and ideas, and how we're feeling and stuff like that. Just depends, mis amigas. But this day, I started making my husband's dinner, and today's meal, I am going to be doing some papas con una salsa roja con carne molida. It is one of our favorites of all times. But if you guys want further details on how I make this food, please let me know. It's the most simplest thing ever, and like I said, we love it and we enjoy it all the time that I make it. So it's one of our favorites. So my daughter, when I told her I was making this food, she got super excited. So by this time, when I was, here in the bathroom, la carne ya estaba hecha, so I kind of let it be. Meanwhile, las papas were still kind of cooking, so I let that sit for a little bit and kind of went to the bathroom over here, and I started taking off my makeup, because during this time, what I like to do, mis amigas, is exercise, because it's really important for us, mis amigas. So let me know, you guys, if you guys have a schedule, or if you guys like to work out just like how I do. And I think it's just such a relief, whatever you do, if it's like walking, running, lift weights, or cardio, or whatever it is, mis amigas. I applaud you, mis amigas, because it's so great. It's so good for our mental health. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm sure it's the same. But after I'm done exercising, it feels so amazing. And it's just such a blessing that I'm able to do it here, even in my house. So let me know, you guys, do you guys prefer going to the gym, or do you guys work out at your house? Let me know. I would like to know.
that we all have different types of, goals in our minds. And, I think one of my goals for sure is like to try my best to always work out at least 3 times a week, mis amigas, because, I have, I know life happens, pero, I always try to include it in my week, just because it's, like I said, mis amigas, it's something that I believe in. It's something that's really, really important to me, and it means a lot to myself and my health, and it's just something that I like to do. So right now you guys see me that I'm just kind of like stretching my body just so I can just kind of warm up a little bit and stuff like that. But stretching is also one of the things that I really, really like to do, and it's just a stress reliever, mis amigas, that it's just awesome, mis amigas. It just feels so great, and I highly, highly recommend it, mis amigas. So like I said, I want some motivation from you guys. What type of workouts do you guys enjoy doing? Yo no sé, mis amigas, if you guys are the same way, but I would like to know. But, in the evening time, I like to have my kitchen nice and clean. And especially when I'm cooking, como a mí no me gusta cocinar en un desastre, but sometimes it is what it is. But, if I have the chance to clean up while I'm cooking and stuff like that, I will do it, because it's something that's like a little stress reliever, and it's not that overwhelming when you're having dinner with your family and kind of like lavar los platos y todavía lavar otra lavada. It's just too much, mis amigas, but again, life does happen. So you guys will see me right now that I will be cleaning la mesa. So all I'm using right in la mesa is the mixture of pinol con agua and a microfiber trapo. So in my other previous video, you did see me that I put on these table, I think they're mats, mis amigas, but luego los quité, and I will explain why. But it was just, I'm just so grateful that I did. So acabo de limpiar la mesa, and I kind of want to stop for a little bit. And I know I shared with you guys these table, ¿cómo se llaman? Cosas que van arriba de la mesa, but I like them. But as I was taking them off, como suelta pelusa, and I don't know about that, but I don't know if I'm liking it, because it can go on our food and stuff like that, because it is a material like this material. So it's not securely stuck all there. So as I don't know if you guys saw, but like cuando lo sacudí, tanto pelo que soltó, and I was like, this is kind of like gross. But I really, really like them. I don't think I would get rid of them, because I can just use these for a centerpiece or something like that. But they're super, super cute, mis amigas. So I think I'm gonna leave my mesa just like that and put these away. Amigas, so as I was editing this video, ni les acabé de enseñar cómo dejé la casa y la comida que hice, las dejé a cero. I was like, oh my gosh. So now I am talking to you guys, and you guys are seeing a black screen. So please don't mind that, mis amigas, and I have to apologize.
But with that being said, mis amigas, this is all about this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed, you know, my evening after work coming home video. So please let me know what you guys thought, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share this video for your friends and families, and spread the love, mis amigas. And again, mis amigas, I have to apologize. I have to leave you guys like that with the black screen. So with that being said, mis amigas, aquí las voy a dejar, and I will see you guys next time. And next time I will upload my ending video, just because this time it was a mess. So please don't mind that, mis amigas. So I will see you guys next time, okay? Bye, mis amigas.